Learn where to find your Coinbase transactions and how to review the details. If you are buying and selling crypto over time, you may want to review all your activity under the Transactions options on the left. Here you can see any rewards you received, all purchases and sales, along with the amounts and dates. If you click on an individual transaction, you can view more details, such as the price at which it was bought or sold, the quantity, and any fees paid. If you have many transactions, use the filter at the top to sort by activity type, status, assets, or date. If your transactions are missing cost basis information, you should update the information yourself. You can select the option to edit cost basis details for your transactions. Scroll down to add missing cost basis information for a specific tax lot. Then click Go to Add Transaction Details. You may see transaction here from external wallets or platforms where Coinbase does not have cost information. In those cases, Coinbase may default to a zero cost basis and use the date the crypto was received as the acquisition date. This is usually not accurate and could result in higher reported taxable gain. This is why it is important to gather your records and update the correct cost basis and purchase date. I have a note here showing that all my cost basis information is up to date. You can also change the tax year and filter by sell or exchange activity, since those are taxable events. You can use tax impact filters to review items such as crypto income from mining or gains and losses from sales and exchanges. Continue with the full Coinbase guide playlist here. Thanks so much for watching.